Hey team, get ready to wipe that drool dribbling from your chins over last year's shiny new smartwatch. We're about to crack open a tech treasure chest overflowing with enough gold to make Elon Musk jealous. Remember those clunky, room-sized computers our dads used to sweat over? Now we've got universes stuffed into our pockets thanks to the relentless march of tech evolution. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to witness another quantum leap that'll leave your smartphone feeling as retro as a Sony Walkman. This ain't just the next fad gadget, people. It's the singularity of cool wrapped in a silicone bow. So ditch the drool rags and strap yourselves in, because the future is coming at us faster than a meme on a Monday morning. Forget squinting at screens the size of stamps and juggling devices like a three-armed circus act. Enter the Humane AI Pin, your new pocket-sized brain boost that clips onto your shirt like a fashion statement for the future. No more digital juggling, no more screen fatigue. Just a click, and boom, you're chatting with your personal AI sidekick. Think of it as Siri on steroids, handling calls, texts, even translating languages while you chill with your latte, looking suave as heck. Sounds cool, you're thinking? But is it just another fancy fidget spinner? Hold your horses, tech cowboys. This ain't your grandpa's calculator watch. We're talking laser beams projecting menus onto your hand like Iron Man, a touchpad that follows your gestures like a Jedi mind trick, and voice commands that make Alexa sound like a dial-up modem.
Should I take the entrance on this side or that side?
The one on the right will get you closer to the eastbound train. That train leaves in 2 minutes.
This, friends, is the future of computing. A future where you're not chained to a screen but connected to the world through whispers and flicks of your wrist. Ditch the brick in your pocket and embrace the next level. The AI Pin is here rewriting the rules like a rogue coder on a caffeine bender. And the AI Pin is backed by the tech world's equivalent of the Avengers. This ain't some flash-in-the-pan project, friends. No, sir. We're talking about two former Apple masterminds, Imran Chowdhury and Bethany Bongiorno. Remember that sleek Mac you can't tear your eyes from? Imran designed it. That iPod you still secretly rock, Bethany's brainchild. Even that fancy Apple Watch you keep checking for the 100th time, joint effort. These two ain't your average Silicon Valley suits. They left Apple in 2017 with a vision that stretched further than the next quarterly report. They're not just building gadgets, they're building a future where tech seamlessly blends into our lives, like a whisper in the background, not a screaming neon billboard. And the AI Pin is just the first chapter in their tech-fueled odyssey. This is about substance, not just shiny chrome. The AI Pin is elegance and functionality in a tiny package, ready to rewrite the rules of how we interact with the world. Forget Zuckerberg's college dorm days shrouded in pizza boxes and code. Remember how Facebook burst onto the scene? A mystery wrapped in an enigma dipped in venture capital? That was kind of the vibe with Humane AI for a while. Whispers, intrigue, and a whole lot of funding, all without dropping a single speck. But even in the shadows, these tech Houdinis snagged some seriously impressive backers. First up, Sam Altman, the guy who used to run OpenAI like a chess grandmaster. He saw something special in Humane's vision, declaring, "We believe in a future where AI boosts human potential, and Humane shares that vision. We're partnering to harness AI and redefine how we talk to tech and the world." Heavy words, right? And Altman wasn't the only one impressed. Tech titans like Microsoft, SK Networks, Volvo, and even Qualcomm, the chip wizards, lined up like eager fanboys at a Comic-Con. Clearly, the AI Pin wasn't just another Bluetooth speaker. It was brewing something revolutionary. So here we go. This is it. Forget rummaging around in your pocket, trying to find your phone before yet another missed call. This little buddy clips onto your shirt like a futuristic badge of honor. It's inspired by those iconic Star Trek communicators, but without the bulky shoulder pads. It's small, light, and ready to adventure wherever you roam. Don't let its size fool you, though. This pin packs a punch like a miniature tech ninja. Inside hums a Snapdragon processor with a dedicated AI engine, making your interactions smoother than a jazz solo on silk sheets. Think of it as your tiny tech brain, whispering sweet nothings of efficiency in your ear. But the AI Pin isn't just a pretty little face. It's a gadget detective equipped with a camera, microphone, and accelerometer to gather intel on the world, like a digital Sherlock Holmes. Need to capture a sunset worthy of Van Gogh? No problem. Its 13-megapixel camera is ready to paint the masterpiece. Now here's where things get revolutionary. The AI Pin ditches the dreaded screen altogether. Instead, it conjures up text and even monochromatic images onto your palm like a high-tech palm reader who only predicts awesome things. This built-in laser projection system whispers information and notifications, creating a virtual screen that's both unique and discreet. It's like having a secret digital sidekick, always ready to assist without demanding endless screen time. So why ditch your trusty smartphone for this pint-sized wonder? The AI Pin's got moves that'll make you reconsider your whole tech relationship. Imagine waving your hand like a digital wizard. Well, that's how you control this little brain booster. No more tap dancing on keyboards, this pin's all about gestures and voice commands. Humane teamed up with OpenAI, the brains behind chatbots that can write poetry, to give this pin voice superpowers. Seamless search, lightning-fast tasks, all controlled by your voice. It remembers conversations, can crack jokes, and answers even your weirdest questions. Need to text your mom about those banana pancakes? Tell the pin. Head banging to Queen at the bus stop? It'll blast your tunes. Curious about the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow? Just ask. Staying on top of calls and notifications becomes a breeze with this tiny cyborg pal. It's got an eagle eye on everything, thanks to an ultra-wide camera, depth, and motion sensors. Picture a tiny robot detective following you around. These sensors snap life's fleeting moments with just a double tap, and they're smart enough to scan your surroundings, making things like finding the closest burger joint a walk in the park. The AI Pin keeps you plugged in like a digital lifeline, no matter where your wanderlust takes you. We're talking 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. 4 gig of RAM lets you juggle tasks like a tech circus clown, while 32 gig of storage keeps your essentials close at hand. Need more space? Don't sweat it. The Humane subscription unlocks the door to cloud storage, so you can back up your memories and keep your pin light and nimble, ready for any adventure. Speaking of adventures, this pin can go the distance when it comes to battery life. Get around 9 hours of juice with the included booster, and if that's not enough, the egg-shaped case holds an extra full charge. Now, for the stylish tech ninjas out there, the AI Pin comes in 3 flavors of awesome. We've got Eclipse Black for the mysterious ninja vibe, Equinox Silver for a touch of subtle shimmer, and Lunar White for those who like their tech with moonlight glow. Okay, let's talk turkey. The AI Pin itself starts at $699, and to unlock its full potential, you'll need the $24 monthly subscription, like a gym membership for your tech brain. But before we cannonball into this tech pool, let's check the depth first. The pin has an anti-tamper system to keep it safe, but how sensitive is it? Does a rogue sneeze set it off? And the screenless design raises eyebrows. Sharing memes and GIFs on your palm might be like drawing Picasso masterpieces on a napkin. Then there's the elephant in the room, data privacy. Humane promises transparency, but trust takes time, right? How will our data be used? Is it Fort Knox secure, or more like a leaky cardboard box? These are questions that deserve some answers before we hand over our digital lives. So the AI Pin has some hurdles to jump before it unseats your smartphone. But hey, remember those clunky flip phones and the first blocky iPhones? Look how far we've come. This could be the start of something revolutionary, like a future where tech dances with our lives instead of tap dancing on our screens. And for you tech magpies out there, check out this video on the Apple VR headset. So, what do you say? Is the AI Pin a game changer, or just another shiny gadget destined to gather dust in your tech graveyard?